Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we dive deep into the world of trash, from junk finds to hoarder houses.
And we're your hosts.
I'm Matt.
I'm JoJo, and we're your favorite trash talkers and business motivators.
On this channel, we're all about turning trash into cash. Every day in the junk world, it's like a modern day treasure hunt.
So if you want to get inspired, motivated, learn how to make some extra cash, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
And if you don't know who we are, we're Sonoma Strong Hauling and Junk Removal. And we started this business as a side hustle with a beat up pickup truck and turned it into a corporation.
So if you want to learn more about that, sit back, relax, and let's talk some trash.
Now let's get this money.
So today we have a lot of jobs on the list, and our mission is to find as many things as possible to resell. So you're coming along with us, and let's see what we find today.
So today is January 12th. We already sold $400 worth of items, and our mission is to sell $50,000 worth of trash finds that we find in the junk removal business.
So we are headed out to our first job of the day, and it is a washer and dryer, and the lady on the phone said that they still work. So let's go see. We are at the first job of the day, and this person found us on a Google search.
Now we have a special announcement to make. This video is actually sponsored by Brunt Boots. And these are the most comfortablest boots I ever worn. And if you want to get a pair of boots like Mr. Matt Vic, the JoJo, and the Julio, go to the link down below and make sure you put the code SONOMA10 in to save some money. Because we're all about saving cash and picking up trash. So here is the first score of the day. It's a washer and dryer, which will sell for around $150. And here's a tip. Whenever we take pictures of items before we sell them, I always take a picture of them in front of the Mercedes. And the reason why, JoJo?
Well, people will automatically think that, oh, it's coming from a really nice house, a clean house. They have money, they have good stuff. That is a tip of the day. I did not believe Matt when he told me that was gonna work, but it absolutely does. So this one is a GE, and it will sell really well. It's very nice, clean, pretty new. And yeah, look at the inside. It almost looks like it's never even been used. Her house was one of the cleanest house I have ever seen. And then this one is a Maytag. Maytag is a really good quality washer, and this will sell also very quickly.
You'll definitely get 150 to 200 bucks easily. They're in nice condition.
So we got this job from a apartment complex manager. They call us all the time. There is a toilet right here that needs to go, a water heater, a few little windows, then way over here, if you guys can see, there's a refrigerator right over there, right there.
Matt, what are you doing? I need some help with this.
Give me a second. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button and let's get this money.
Unfortunately, at this job, there was no resellable items, all junk.
So we're at a job right now. We're giving an estimate on some camper shells that need to go. And here's one right here that needs to go. He wants a price on that. And there's a couple more over here in the bushes, if you can see, that need to go too. So leave a comment down below. What would you guys price these 3 camper shells to demo out and haul away? Leave it in the comments. And we are in California, and our dump fees are $130 a ton. So that's what we're paying per ton.
So we're at the scrap metal place. We're scrapping some metal, and Julio went to grab his truck because we have a big job next.
So we got another special announcement to make.
So if you have a business and you want to grow your business and level up your business and start making more money, we have great news for you because we are starting our Roadmap to Success classes again.
So if you're a hustler, if you're a go-getter, if you're about your money, this might be the perfect opportunity for you.
So if you want more information on our coaching classes and us being your mentor, look in the description down below and click the link because it will take you to our website that will give you all the information you need. So we are at the next job of the day and it is for an office clean out, and let's take a look at what they have.
Just like that, we knocked out 2 full loads, and I found 2 things I'm gonna put online and resell. And one of them is a flat screen TV. I'll get 50 bucks for that. And also this little table right here. I can definitely get 50 bucks for that too.
Now, one thing I found that I'm not selling, but I love it, and that is Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University. And I don't know if you watch him, but I watch his YouTube channel all the time. He has great money advice, and I know that this is an expensive program that you can buy from him, and I got it for free at a job.
And the Julio went to go bid a job right now, and guess what happened? He locked it in for next week. And it's gonna be 2 more full loads, JoJo. Damn, we're killing it in the wintertime for real.
I know this has not been a slow winter for us.
And here's a little tip for you guys too. Hand me that magazine right there. If you want to get more realtors on the team,
find these magazines in your local area. You can find them everywhere, and they're real estate magazines. And when you open up, you know, the purpose of them is to tell you what's on the market right now. But we love them because it also tells you who the realtor is and how to get in touch with them. And Matt will look through here, and then he'll go on Facebook. He'll look and he'll make sure he's friends with every single one of these realtors.
And one more thing you can do too is when you're driving around in neighborhoods and you see a for sale sign, what we'll do is stop by and put a door hanger on the doorknob, because you never know, they might still have trash in that house. And that's another tip of the day.
Sometimes they have open houses, and if that's the case, park your car, walk on in there, hand some business cards, and introduce yourself.
So now we're heading to the next one in JoJo. I do believe there's 2 good kayaks there. I've been dreaming about getting a couple of those, but I'm not sure if they're in decent shape or not.
Well, let's go find out.
Let's find out.
So we are at the last job of the day, and this person has a full load. Hopefully there's some good stuff, and we're going to take a look at the kayaks he says he has, and we're going to see if they're resellable.
So here are the 2 kayaks, and they look like they're in decent shape. So I'm definitely going to keep them and put them on Marketplace and try to make that extra cash. You know how I know they have money? How?
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Those are probably not cheap at all.
Big money right there. Just so you guys know, we're still working. We're dropping the Julio off right now, and it is getting dark out here.
It was a long day.
You guys still gotta go pick up something, huh?
Yep, I'll see you Monday.
Yeah, you guys have a great weekend. And if you guys get a phone call from me tomorrow, you know what happened, dude.
Miami lost. KC's playing Miami tomorrow. We'll see what happens.
Go Patrick. All right, bye guys.
So now we're heading to the next one. So guess what we're still doing, JoJo?
We're still working, and it's dark outside.
We're still getting money at the last job of the day. And there's a few things here, so let's take a look at it. So it's 2 days later. I posted some items online and I sold the washer and dryer for $250. The people will be here at 9 o'clock today. And then the kayaks that we got, we actually sold too. Someone's coming right now to pick these up. So if you can see, they're not in the best shape. The seat's all worn out right here. This thing's not on there, needs to be fixed. So I sold these pretty cheap. So this is an extra 200 bucks. So that brings our grand total. It's a $450 worth of items we sold in a day. So that's pretty good. Our goal was to hit $50,000 worth of sales off trash finds. So we are $850 right now. That means we're $49,150 away from hitting our goal. So we got an eBay account up right now. We'll be selling on eBay. We're gonna do yard sales. We're gonna post on Facebook Marketplace. We're selling so much stuff this year to hit that goal. So if you wanna watch us and see if we hit that goal, make sure you smash that like button and we'll catch you on the next one. So we're at $850 today. And it is January 13th, so let's see if we can do it.